everybody, welcome to Mandaichi Customs. Today I want to show you a review of the Ford Mustang, which comes in the 2017 Muscle Mania 5-pack from Hot Wheels. And here he is in his cool green color. And when you look close, you will see I have made a little customizing on this car. He had red lines, which I used a blue pen to make him look a little darker, which is very cool. So here he is from side, from front, no front printing, other side, and the back section. The tempo says here, which is very little, it says Boss 302 Hot Wheels, and here are also lines. The top and the bottom says Made in Indonesia, Mustang Boss, Laguna Seca. So it's interesting that this car here is the second Ford Mustang which comes in the 2017 5-pack, and the other was in the Speed Graphics 5-pack, which was yellow, which I also reviewed, and this car here, which has also on at that car the car model was a little different. That was yellow, this is blue, and this looks a little more city style. I think the other was more racing car style. He rolls very well, and overall a very interesting car. So that was it. Thanks for watching.